Hey, welcome. If you want 11 Labs for free lifetime, so follow these steps. First, open Google and type temp mail. Open first link. When email is loaded, head over to 11 Labs. Then click on Sign Up option. Copy the email ID from temp mail and paste it in the email box. Then enter any password you want. Then a confirmation link is sent to your email ID, which is temp mail. So go to temp mail and locate your just received email from 11 Labs and click on the email to open it. And click on Verify button, which is to verify you. Then 11 Labs may ask to log in again. So just enter ID and password you just entered earlier and click on Login. And click on Skip button if you don't want to fill this. Now enjoy your 11 Labs account free for lifetime. And once the 10,000 quota finishes, just re-watch my video to get again 11 Labs account for free.
Subscribe to my channel.